orthopedic and spine surgeon, and presently the president of Bangalore Orthopedic Society for the year 25-26. Today we are celebrating our 27th annual conference, and it has been a success with our programs which is started based on something called as evidence-based orthopedic practice, which is the need of the hour today. Because our people are so educated, they are well informed because of the present information what they get on their phones, through internet, through the media. So we are also upgrading ourselves so that whatever demands or queries comes from our patients, because our patients are very, very informed and intelligent and educated. So when we talk to our patients, we also talk to them based on evidence. It should be very clear that the practice in orthopedics nowadays has taken to a next level, which happens based on evidence, and of course there are new innovations on a day-to-day basis. The world is changing from a system which was quite primitive 10 years back. But within 10 years, now we have come to a stage where we do surgeries based on innovations which are happening, which is AI based, which is robotic based, which is computerized also. So in this regard, this scientific sessions which is happening is definitely a platform for all of us in the city of Bangalore, where we today have around 500 registrations in the city of Bangalore alone, and we are all getting our scientific sessions, which is again in orthopedics is subspecialized. We have now joint related, spine related, and the departments which is separately for foot and ankle, it's for the hand, knee surgeries, all this. So today we are covering all the subspecialty subjects in our discussion, and we are also taking this platform to